Hi, this is Tim with OS College, and this video is a quick video about Google Sheets. In this video, we're going to be looking at creating a comment for a cell. You can create a comment for just one cell, not a group of cells. So the first thing you have to do is click the desired cell that you want to make a comment on. And then there are several ways to insert a comment. First way is to go up to this Open Comment History link in the top right corner, click it, and then do Add Comment, and a small dialog box appears right next to the cell you selected with a text box, and you start writing. The other way to access this dialog is to right-click on the cell, then go down to Comment in the list that appears, or you can go up to the Insert menu and then click Comment in the list that appears. And you simply type the comment in the text box. When you are done typing, simply click Comment, and when you go up and highlight and move your cursor up to that cell, the dialog will appear. It has this little yellow arrow showing that there's a comment there. So you move your cursor up to it, and the dialog appears. And when the issue gets resolved, you can click Mark as resolved and hide it from others who are working on the document with you. When you click the three dots, you get more options. You can delete this comment. You can edit it and change the text of it. Or you can link to this comment, which means you can create a web address that you can link in another document that will open this document or go to it and highlight the comment. And then others can reply to your comment. You click reply, and it will show the string. It will show comments and all the replies in a dialog that appears. This quick video from OS College has been about creating a comment in Google Sheets. Be sure to click subscribe and like on this video, and you will receive notifications of future videos about Google Sheets and other Google applications. You can also watch more videos about Google's Office Suite as well as other applications on the OS College YouTube channel. There are more videos, articles, and other information about various applications at oscollege.com, OS College's website. Also check out the OS College Facebook page. Quick videos are 2 to 5 minute videos that cover a particular aspect of an application. Thank you for watching.